It's time for another cool tool review. This time we're going to take a look at the Kamalon Gripper Speedmark 25-foot tape measure. I got this for around $9 on Amazon, which I think is a fantastic price for what this is. I've been trying out a lot of different tape measures recently. Some have a lot of features like magnets or finger stops or pencil sharpeners. This tape measure from Kamalon has none of those extras, but it's the tape measure I reach for the most often, and I've boiled that down to 3 reasons. First, it's the easiest to read. The numbers are black against a matte white tape that's easy to read indoors or in direct sunlight. The numbers are big and really easy to see, especially in the first foot where the numbers are gigantic. Second, the tape labels the fractional measurement, so instead of counting each little slice, you can quickly read the fractions of an inch. If you're old school, the top is unlabeled. Finally, it's well built. It feels just as sturdy as my more expensive tapes, but even if it does eventually break or get lost, at around $9, it's no hardship to replace it. That's the Kamalon 25-foot tape measure. They also make a smaller 16-foot version for around $4. You can find links to both in the description, and you can find thousands of reader-recommended tools like these at cool-tools.org.